What if I told you that a single email address could reveal someone's social media accounts, usernames, public profiles, data breach exposure, and a surprising amount of their digital footprint within minutes? Today, we're looking at some of the most powerful email OSINT tools available on GitHub in 2026. These tools are commonly used by cybersecurity researchers, investigators, bug bounty hunters, and threat intelligence analysts to gather publicly available information linked to an email address. Before we begin, this video is strictly for educational and ethical security research purposes. Always respect privacy and only investigate systems or accounts when you have proper authorization. Most people think of an email address as just a way to receive messages, but in reality, it's often the central piece of their online identity. The same email is frequently used for social media platforms, developer accounts, gaming services, shopping websites, forums, and professional networks. Because of that, a single email can become a starting point for mapping an entire online presence. One of the first tools that stands out is Whole. This project has become incredibly popular in the OSINT community because of how simple and effective it is. You provide an email address, and it checks numerous online services to determine whether that email is registered on those platforms. Within seconds, researchers can identify where an email has been used publicly. It's fast, easy to use, and often serves as the first step in an investigation. Another well-known project is unauthorized. This tool focuses on publicly accessible Google account information. Depending on the privacy settings of the target account, researchers may discover usernames, profile information, profile images, and other publicly exposed details. Unauthorized has remained one of the most discussed OSINT tools for years because it highlights how much information can sometimes be revealed through public account configurations. The results vary from account to account, but when information is available, the findings can be surprisingly detailed. After identifying usernames associated with an email address, tools like Maigret become extremely useful. Many people reuse the same username across dozens of platforms without realizing it. Maigret searches hundreds of websites looking for matching usernames. This allows researchers to discover public profiles, community accounts, and other online identities connected through a common username. What would normally take hours of manual searching can often be completed in just a few minutes. Another tool that continues to be relevant in 2026 is the Harvester. While it's often used during organizational reconnaissance, it's still one of the most respected OSINT tools available. Security professionals use it to collect publicly available information from search engines and other sources. It can help identify emails, domains, subdomains, and other assets that may be exposed online. For penetration testers and security teams, it's often part of the initial reconnaissance process before a deeper assessment begins. Sherlock is another favorite among investigators. Similar to Maigret, it focuses on username intelligence gathering. Once a username is discovered, Sherlock checks a large number of websites looking for matching accounts. This makes it possible to build a clearer picture of a person's public online presence. Many researchers actually run both Sherlock and Maigret because each tool may find accounts that the other misses. What's interesting is that none of these tools are exploiting systems or hacking accounts. They're simply collecting information that is already publicly available. However, when multiple tools are combined together, the results can reveal far more than most people expect. An email address becomes a username, the username becomes social media profiles, those profiles reveal additional information, and the investigation gradually expands. This is exactly why cybersecurity awareness matters. Attackers often perform reconnaissance before launching phishing campaigns, social engineering attacks, or impersonation attempts. The more information they can gather, the more convincing those attacks become. Understanding OSINT helps you understand what information about you is already visible online. To reduce your exposure, consider using separate email addresses for different services, review your privacy settings regularly, remove accounts you no longer use, enable multi-factor authentication, and monitor whether your information appears in public data breaches. Small privacy improvements can significantly reduce the amount of information available to potential attackers.